Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a wing liner on your eyes. This eyeliner technique is the one I've learned in makeup classes when I was in school, and it's seriously the best. It's really hard to mess up. I'm first gonna do a wing with eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna use the exact same technique with a liquid eyeliner. For the powder liner, I will use the Blackout eyeshadow from the Ultimate Basic palette from Arbonne Decay. So first of all, you want to line where you want your wing to be, and this is different for everyone because we have all different eye shape. So I like to do a straight line from the lower lash line and go up. I'm just placing my brush, and that's where your line will be. Following the natural eye shape that you have would really complement your eyes. So the second step, you want to do a fine line following your eyes. And again, I'm just placing the product, I'm not dragging it. You can wiggle your brush to put more product. So after doing a thin line over your eyes, you want to connect the wing you've created. I start a little bit lower, so it's really pointy and sharp. And if you want a bigger wing, you can just go back and add more black. Always by pressing the product. Now I'm going to do the exact same steps but with a liquid liner. For the liquid liner, I use the Arbonne one, but I don't recommend this one. Don't get me wrong, I really like the Arbonne product. If you know me, you know that I used to sell Arbonne, but the liner, it is not good. But for today, I'm gonna use this one because it's the only one I have. I'm gonna try to work with it, and I'm gonna use a brush like this. This is not the easiest way to apply eyeliner with a brush like this. So if you have a hard one like the Kat Von D one, or just a product that works well with the hard tube, this is the best. And do a straight line. So even if it's liquid, I'm placing my wand on my eyes, so it's creating a straight line. Again, I don't start from the tip of my wing. As you can see, when I try to work with this product, I'm gonna make it work, but just see, like, it just breaks the products. So this is pretty much the wing done. I would like to know what is your favorite type of eyeliner, a softer look with powder or a sharp wing with liquid eyeliner. Tell me in the comments below. My next video will be how to do a smoky eye with using only one eyeshadow. So if you don't want to miss that, please hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. I upload a new video every Friday. If you learned something today, please like this video and share with your friends. And if you want to see more makeup tutorials that I do here on YouTube, you can click those videos around here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!